Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. Wednesday at 10:13 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Cicero, Evanston, Bolingbrook, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Park Ridge, and Calumet City. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 265 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 352 and 358. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 39 and 70. Interstate 290 between mile markers 12 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 39 and 70. Interstate 355 between mile markers 10 and 26. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National